In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change theme for chess.com. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, go to chess.com, sign into your account, and once you've done that, go to settings. On settings, click add themes, and that's where we can easily switch between any of these themes simply by clicking on them. We can just click at any theme and it will automatically and immediately apply to our chessboard, chess pieces, sounds, and for the entire website it will replace the background. There are a ton of different presets here. However, if you would like to use some custom preset, at the very top we can find custom. We can click on it to customize, and then we'll be able to select any visual appearance for pieces, for board. Let me select that one. Also, we can change sound appearance, and also we can set some background for the entire website. And then once we are done with that, we don't need even to save the changes, cause the changes has already been applied. However, keep in mind that once you switch your custom theme to some theme from that list, that will reset all these options to their defaults. If I select standard, it will reset all the custom settings. That's how you can easily change theme on chess.com.